Hello students. Today we are going to learn an important topic in mathematics called prime and composite numbers. These numbers are very important because they form the foundation of number theory. Many mathematical concepts such as factorization, highest common factor, and lowest common multiple depend on this topic. In this lesson we will understand factors, prime numbers, composite numbers, and their properties. Factors. Before understanding prime and composite numbers, we must first understand the concept of factors. A factor of a number is a number that divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. For example, let us take the number 12. 12 can be divided exactly by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So these numbers are called the factors of 12. A prime number is a natural number that has exactly two factors. These two factors are 1 and the number itself. This means a prime number can only be divided exactly by 1 and itself. For example, the number 7 has only two factors, 1 and 7. Therefore 7 is a prime number. Some common examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Each of these numbers has only two factors. One interesting fact is that 2 is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. A composite number is a natural number that has more than two factors. This means it can be divided by numbers other than 1 and itself. For example, the number 12 has factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Since it has more than two factors, it is called a composite number. Examples of composite numbers include 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, and 18. All these numbers have more than two factors. Therefore, they are called composite numbers. Students often ask about the number 1. The number 1 has only one factor, which is 1 itself. A prime number must have exactly two factors. A composite number must have more than two factors. Therefore, the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Prime numbers have exactly two factors. Composite numbers have more than two factors. Prime numbers cannot be broken into smaller factors except 1 and itself. Composite numbers can be written as multiplication of smaller numbers. Prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. For example, let us take the number 72. 72 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is called the prime factorization of 72. Another method to identify prime numbers is called the sieve of Eratosthenes. In this method we start with a list of numbers. First we remove multiples of 2. Then we remove multiples of 3. Then multiples of 5 and so on. The numbers that remain are prime numbers. Divisibility rules help us quickly check whether a number can be divided by another number. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Students, today we learned about factors, prime numbers, composite numbers, and prime factorization. We also discussed the sieve method and divisibility rules. These concepts are very important in mathematics. Practice regularly and solving problems will become easier. Jai Hind.